good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how you can group different elements that have effects and other stuff automated / linked to them. Okay, so we have these toms right here that have a pattern of stereo effect where it gets automated. So that's what these two are here, and here's the actual pattern of the tom. So if we play them, I want to clone all that together as well as this spaceship effects with it. So what I can do is I can go ahead and go to track 12, which is the start of my toms, and then I'm just going to rename this as toms, and then I'm going to group this to it just by right clicking the track 13 and doing group with above track. Same thing with the track 14, so they're both groups. Okay, I'm going to go over here and move these down one and bring this space effect up so I can group it with those as well, like so. Now all we got to do to clone all of those together is we can right click this and do clone, and now it lets us clone all of the stuff that's with it, the group tracks, the effects, automations, audio clips, patterns, and all of that. So when we hit OK, it'll clone it all right there. So if we move these ones, these toms will still be affecting. So these are the other toms now, and we can see that it's still doing the automation. So just something really dope that you can do with your tracks to quickly clone different groups of elements. Alright, so yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.